handing over of the instruments of power. And at this point, allow me to invite Gabriel Masuku to hand over the instruments as I mention what they are. We start with the COMESA Treaty, which is a symbol of solemn, sacred, binding commitment and cooperation to the aims and objectives of COMESA as a rules-based organization with shared values, goals, obligations for integration of the COMESA region. That is the treaty. Let us put our hands together for the treaty. Next, we have the COMESA flag. This symbolizes core values, goals, and identity of collective with COMESA member states, affirming their unity and pride as a pledge to uphold and promote the shared identity of the people of the COMESA region. And the last is the COMESA gavel, a symbol of authority, leadership, formal process of decision-making that promotes, according to respect and adherence to COMESA, establishing processes. Let's have the band give us what we call the fanfare.